Hi everyone, Big Pauly back for a brand new BLUFANS unboxing. Yes, I've gone through my collection. I've pulled out about 15 BLUFANS editions that I've never done unboxings for on my YouTube channel. So I thought, why not? Yes, okie dokie. Next up is Captain America Civil War. Okay, so this is a double lenticular. So we have a really nice shot there of the guys. The title down the bottom there. And we even have Ant-Man. There he is, right on the shield. Fantastic. And then on the back, I have a really nice lenticular of Captain America himself. And the spine, there we go. Captain America Civil War with a 3D logo at the top there. This is embossed as well. The title is embossed. And this is limited edition number 37. So let's have a look at the contents inside. Again, another really nice steelbook we get with this one. So there is the BLUFANS card, number 37. On the back, all the information. This is number 1170 of 1200, so I only just got in there. And then inside we have another card with the BLUFANS logo at the top there. Captain America, he's my friend, Iron Man, so was I. Yeah, what a fantastic piece of dialogue. Got chills when that... Okie dokie. So we have a really nice thick booklet, matte exterior. Lovely glossy photos though. So we might have a matte exterior, but we have glossy photos inside. What a great film. There we go. And then the steelbook. There is the Captain America Civil War steelbook. The only embossing is actually on the title down the bottom there. Captain America Civil War. But it's a really nice picture. That's a really great picture. And then we have the Civil War logo there with also 3D. And then the face off at the back there. And the star is debossed. So it's a really nice steelbook. Once again, we get 2 discs. So there is the exterior for the steelbook. And then the face-off on the interior. We have the standard Blu-ray. And also the 3D disc. Okay, so there we have the Captain America Civil War double lenticular exclusive steelbook from BLUFANS number 37. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Like the video by giving it some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. And I shall see you on the next video. Bye for now.